Would you like to learn more about how chiropractic adjustments can affect the nervous system? Join us for a seminar on neurological impact of the chiropractic adjustment, Saturday, January 11th, 2020. We'll explain all about joint mechanoreceptors and muscle spindles as they affect the nervous system, and we'll look to the different areas of the nervous system and see how the adjustment resets the sensitivity and gain. Manipulation can also activate different areas of the nervous system, such as the cerebellum, the brainstem, the cortex, spinal cord, as well as the limbic centers through input and output. We'll demonstrate on how moving the eyes in a particular direction can augment cervical adjustments, as the medial and lateral rectus muscles are linked to the spinal muscles. We'll look at different levels of the spine also, such as the thoracic spine. We'll look at the lumbar spine. We'll address the TMJ, as well as looking at the pelvis, the extremities, as well as the hip joint will all be covered in a neurological sense. We'll talk about the latest scientific research that shows that chiropractic manipulation has a definite effect on the prefrontal cortex. It also impacts primary efferents and efferents from the paraspinal tissues. Cavitation may not be an absolute requirement for the effects to occur. So join us on Saturday, January 11th, 2020 at the Golden Tulip Hotel, Leiden Station, for the seminar of neurological impact of the chiropractic adjustment, or look for more information at www.brainneuroplasticity.com.